The tilt tool is part of the modeling suite, can be found with the 3D modeling tools in the Carving tab. Tilt can be applied to any 3D geometry, whether it's a pattern such as this, or something created using the 3D modeling tools. Select Tilt. You will have the ability to control both the vertical and the horizontal angle. Moving those together, you can set any orientation to the tilt that you wish. Now note that the height changes as we tilt to accommodate the angle that we're applying. You can of course override that, pushing it down. You can see that reduces some of the detail in the pattern. Now I'm going to select No Tilt, which will essentially zero out all of the angles that we've applied. I'm going to set my height back to 100. And one other thing we can do here is what we call clip bottom. When we do that and we apply a tilt, notice that it essentially drops out the pattern. So it's not increasing the height, it's just dropping that out. Again, you can apply both a horizontal and a vertical tilt. And this is the tilt